Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn on two-step verification in Gmail in Google account. So it is very essential, it is very important to turn on the two-step verification. So here you just need to open your favorite browser and you need to log into your Gmail account. So once you log in, you will see the window like this. And here you just need to go to google.com. So I'm here in the Google homepage. And at the top right corner, I need to click on that. And then we need to go to manage your Google account. I will click on that. And here we need to go to the third option which says data and privacy. And below that we have security. So we will click on security and you just need to scroll down and here you will find two-step verification is off and you just need to click on two-step verification. So you just need to click on this arrow and the moment you do that it will ask you to enter the password again. I just entered so it doesn't ask me. So I just need to click on turn on the two-step verification. But before we do that, you need to add the phone number as well. All right. You can also, second step, you can use the authenticator or you can use the pass keys. You can use the apps, you might have heard about Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator. You can use that. So if you want to just use the phone, turn on two-step verification where you will get the code, then you just need to add the phone number and you just need to click on turn on two-step verification. The moment you click on that, it will ask you to enter your phone number and country, and then you just need to click on next, and it will ask you to click on finish, and you will be able to enable two-step verifications. And congratulations, uh, it is very important to secure. And once you are done with that, please do let me know in the comment section that yes, you have successfully enabled two-step verification. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I really need your support and have a wonderful day. Please do take care. Bye bye.